Hey friends, my name's Scott. Welcome to my garage. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install this Fox tailgate pad. It's primarily used to transport mountain bikes. You can obviously see it's nice and dirty. We've been doing a lot of biking lately. And it's actually a pretty easy process. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, so today we're going to be installing this Fox tailgate pad on this 2003 Nissan Titan. Now this is actually an extra large pad, but it does come in size large for smaller trucks like an older Tacoma or a Nissan Frontier. The Titan is a much larger bed as far as the width, and so you're going to need an extra large pad. Now this actually is a very simple process. All you're basically doing is wrapping these bottom straps around the tailgate. So let me show you how to do that right now. What you're going to do with the tailgate closed is actually just pop the pad on top so that the square panel is just laying flat over the top of the tailgate. Your straps will be hanging down like this. Again, your emblem's going to be out on the front. Okay, you can see the strap hanging down right here. What we're going to be doing is actually bringing this up and through the bottom of the tailgate and then up into the back of the tailgate, where you can see there are a couple of strap hooks right here. We're going to be feeding that into these guys. Okay, so you're looking at the back of the tailgate now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this flap that's in front so I can reach down and grab my tailgate handle, and I'm going to slowly move this down. Now again, this pad is loose, so what I'm going to do with that strap that's right here is, with the tailgate angled, I'm going to slip that strap underneath my tailgate and up through the crack in the middle. And you kind of have to use two hands on this and then feed it up like this. This is the only part of the process that I don't like about these pads. And because I'm not an engineer, I can't really offer any advice on how I do it differently. But you actually do risk crushing your fingers by having to slide the strap up through the tailgate and the back of your bed. So be very careful with that when you're doing it. Now with the strap up and through, you're actually going to feed it through the little hook right here. The back side first, bring it up, wrap it over, and then bring it back through the front strap so that it creates a loop up and through like this. Then you're just going to basically kind of pull it so it's semi-tight, and then you're going to do the same thing on the other two sides. Okay, so let me show you how to put on the strap from a side angle here. I'm going to be doing the right-hand side of the truck here. Again, I'm taking the strap, I'm going to feed it in underneath the tailgate. Again, I'm putting the tailgate up against my chest so that it doesn't slam down on my fingers. And I'm pulling it up through the little slot here and feeding it up into my little strap. Again, from the back, loop it around, pull back through the first slot, and then kind of finger tight it. Just like that. So we're going to do it on the other side. Okay, so once you have all three straps fed through and into their buckles in back there, make sure again this top panel is centered on your tailgate. Again, you should see the Fox face right here on the front, and then on the back you have your tie downs for your actual bike frame that should be hanging close to the top there so they can actually fit around the frame. Once that's in place, I'm going to go ahead and tighten these straps down. Okay, so I've got my bike here. I'm just going to show you how I usually slot these in. I basically come over the back of the tailgate here and angle the handlebars off so the wheel is tilted. And then I usually kind of keep my bike tire in one of my slots in the back of the bed. And once it's in there, we're going to bring up one of our straps here. Okay, so we're just going to take our strap, again, through the loop, back over, and then latch it down. Okay, and here's what the bike looks like installed on the front. Again, the tire is askew so that you have this nice little frame in here that kind of pinches it towards the back of the tailgate. This is actually pretty in here. I mean, it's nice and stable. So There you go, friends. That is how you install this Fox tailgate pad. If you're looking to buy one of these, I'll put a link in the description box below. Again, I have the XL for my Nissan Titan. They also make it in large. Yeah, hope that helps. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Helps us make more videos like this, and hit that subscribe. We're going to be making a lot more Titan videos coming up soon.